It's the little things that you don't think, that you've made the difference to help people, to help the department, also the people we engage with, the patients. On the daily basis is just so rewarding. British Red Cross have got a service in A&E and we provide resettlements, and our service, as we come in, we would greet the patients, have a little chat, make sure they're okay, contact any next of kins, go around the waiting area, see if everybody is all right, provide them with drinks and food if needed. With their consent, we resettle patients home, making sure that they are safe and they've got the home safe service in place with a wellbeing service we offer as well. We can provide that service immediately, so we would free up a bed to enable the flow of the department. So everything is about making sure that that person's safe whilst at home. After doing a resettlement and making sure that they are safe at home, we would either contact their carers, their social workers, the next of kin, anybody else who could provide support whilst they're at home to make sure that they're safe, ensuring that the priority is the patient's safety, to make sure that they are safe when they are home, particularly if they haven't got no one. People come into A&E without nothing, mainly because it's an emergency department. You don't remember your phone or your charger. We're there to support that. We have supported whilst they're in the department, then we are able to free up our time, which the time the nurses haven't got, or the healthcare haven't got, to sit with that patient to make sure that they are supported.
No, I was quite shocked at that they offered me food as well. I never expected that, but that's good because family struggle, don't they? And it's not just the kids, it's the parents as well. Or you might have been in a restaurant, you didn't have your bank card or money with you, and you would be stuck in, wouldn't you? Yeah, help a lot of youngsters, adults through struggles. Keep doing what you're doing a great job.
So the Red Cross are invaluable to us. They provide really good support for our patients. We work well as a team in the sense that when a lot of our patients need some support and some social input, that the Red Cross get involved. I think that knowing that that they are available and very keen to help us is always very reassuring, that we know the patients are getting home safely, that they are being looked after in the community, they're getting the follow-up that they need, they're having food packages and things taken to them on a regular basis, and any further support will be arranged by the Red Cross. I think that every A&E department need a Red Cross team. I think they're absolutely brilliant, and that we would be lost without them.